welcome back to Style by SC. If you are new to my channel, I focus on fashion, beauty and lifestyle, and today is gonna be a fashion video. Alright, and guess what, it's gonna be my first ever. There's always a first time, huh? Today is my first. It's gonna be my first ever luxury designer video here on my channel, and I'm very excited about it. Okay, can we have a drum roll please? Boop, 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 boop. Can you tell I'm very happy? And I want to share what I got with you guys. It's shoes that we're gonna be unboxing. I'm gonna be giving you my first impression, and not like an in-depth review because I didn't wear them out yet, in order to give you like a really good review on them. We're gonna go over price, quality and stuff like that. Alright, so if you are interested to see, you know, what brand I'm talking about or what we're gonna be unboxing, what designer, let me be specific, what designer shoes we're gonna be unboxing in this video, stay tuned. Okay, stay tuned. In this store here in New York City called Saks Fifth Avenue. As you can see right here, I don't know if you know about them. They have a website as well, saks.com, right there. I'm gonna put the link in the description box so you can go there and check them out. They really have like you know, good designer. They sell a lot of like a designer brand like Dior, Chanel, Balenciaga, Manola Blahnik, and a lot of designer brand. It's very popular here in the city. So we went there 2 days ago, and I picked this one right here in this package. I ordered another one, but that one was online, so we're gonna do this one first. Look at this bag right here. It looks so fancy. I love it. I love the white and black details all over this bag. Okay, this shopping bag. So let me remove it from here. The brand is Dior, Christian Dior. We're gonna be reviewing what is in here. Okay, it comes in this like white type of packaging box, as you can see right there, and this is the reference of what we're gonna be reviewing. The style we're gonna be reviewing is the Dior slim back black pattern leather. Okay, calfskin. I got it in size 37.5 Europe size. US size is 7.5. That's what I wear. The height of the heel 10 centimeters, which is almost 4 inches. Let's see what is in here. All right, when you open it, ta-da! This is how it comes in. We have this bag. I believe this is the dust bag. Comes with 2. I love the Dior logo on top of it. The color as well. It's not gonna get dirty so easily. You know, you can just save your shoes in here whenever you take them off, or you can just keep the box. That is the first thing we have. And right here we have the authenticity card right there. It comes in this small envelope. Ta-da! We have Christian Dior at the front there, and we have Dior right there. We have the receipt. This is my receipt. We're gonna go over price later. Let's do the unboxing first. So when you have it, this is the tissue that it covers. We open it. Wow, this thing feels so luxurious as well, and it have like Dior all over it. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna open like so. This is the model that I got from them. Wow, look at this. Look at this baby. Look at this gorgeousness. This is what I picked from Saks Avenue Dior, and this is the style I got from them. Slim back, okay, calfskin, as you can see. The leather pattern, I love it. I love the shiny one. It has this like paper, I believe is to keep the shape of it, like at the, you know, at the base of the shoes. I'm removing them. And yes guys, this is what I got from Saks Avenue Dior. Love it. Let me come close so you can see. We have Christian Dior right there at the sole of the shoes. You see it, and this is the back side. Am I like, let me hold this like this. This is the back. We have this star here. It's typical Christian Dior logo. So that is the back. This shoes was made in May 2019. I believe 5 is May and 19 is the year. I always wanted this style of shoes for the longest, but I couldn't afford them. Let me talk about the price. Where's my receipt? So in the US, you know, dollar, it costs $8.90 plus tax, which is $79. So if you add up, you're gonna see, you know, you're gonna see how much it costs in total. The price is already expensive and they're charging us a lot of money for tax. Like, it's just ridiculous. However, it's still a good purchase for me. This is a really good style to invest in. It's like this shoes is giving me timelessness, okay? It's giving me everlastingness. All right, it giving me versatility. Like, give me a monochrome look, give me a casual look, give me colors, blue, white, okay, white. I couldn't just say white because white is kind of neutral color. Give me pink. You're still gonna rock the shoes with, like, that's why I mentioned earlier that is like a versatile type of shoes. You can rock these babies with anything. Okay, anything. What make me pick the shoes is this one, this embroidery ribbon at the back, okay, right there, is amazing. I love these details about the shoes. It makes the shoes, if I have to be specific, it's so different. It's gonna get dirt so easily if you're not careful. If you wear tent, okay, I will maybe suggest you not to put tent at your ankle, okay, at the ankle where this ribbon fell into, because it might get, you know, dirt so easily, and I don't know how easy, you know, you can take them off, okay. You can like get rid of the dirt on it, and I believe it's not going to be easy to clean them. I love the fact that it's pointy at the front, as you can see right there. I love pointy here because it makes you look taller, which is what I'm looking for in shoes. I love pump in general. Let's talk about comfortability. It comes in 2 different inches, the 10 centimeter and the 6.5 centimeter. I tried both of them, and the 6.5 centimeter didn't fit my aesthetic, okay. It didn't fit my aesthetic at all. It was nice, it was cute, it was like way more comfortable than this one. This is comfortable, but you know, if you're looking for something to work like throughout the day, I will advise you guys to get the 6.5 centimeter here. This one, almost 4, is still comfortable. It doesn't look like 4 inches at all. This one was way more elegant on my feet as compared to the, you know, to the 6.5 centimeter, and it was the same price. I'm like, let's go with this one because I love it more. They are comfortable, okay. I tried them. They are so comfortable on. However, when I tried this one in store, it was a little bit tight. But if I wear it, if I break the shoes 2 or 3 times, I think I'm gonna be okay. Alright, so it's not a big deal for me. I would recommend you guys to go in store and try them out before to buy, and see how you like it and see the vibe of it, okay, in your feet before to buy it. I mean, like, this shoes is everything. It gives me elegance, it gives me timeless, it gives me classiness, it gives me everything. In terms of getting it, I will really recommend you guys to get this type of shoes if you are into designer, you know, brand, okay. It's one of the first shoes that you can start off with if you want to build your luxurious, you know, collection as myself. So I started with this because I knew black and white, you can wear it with anything in your wardrobe. So yes guys, this is my first impression. Yeah, this is the end of this video. If you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, activate your notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Share this video with your friend, family, or whoever you think might be interested in this type of video as well. So yes guys, this is it guys. Enjoy the rest of your summer, and I'm going to talk to you on the next one. Bye.